Today, we're gonna be diagnosing and maybe even fixing my E46 that doesn't start. This is what it sounds like. Not the best sound. I read online a couple tips and tricks that we can try, see if we can get this thing started. Let's get into it. We're on our way to Walmart. We're gonna pick up oil and a syringe, but not like a plastic syringe, so we can squirt oil inside the engine. What we're gonna try to do is we're gonna take the spark plugs out, we're gonna inject some oil in there, and then give it a crank and see if we can get her to start. Let's see how it goes.
Can you introduce yourself to the camera?
I'm Darren.
How are you helping us today?
I'm probably not. It's not gonna start.
All right, so Darren thinks it's not gonna start. I'm not doing a full measurement, but just put a little bit in each one. That one needs a little bit more, I think.
Crank her up.
More?
Yeah, didn't you say you did it a few times? Let's see if forum boys are fucking right.
They aren't. Now he said he put the spark plugs in, so let's see. Cranked it and then put the plugs back in. Put the plugs back in, I guess. Does it matter which one goes where?
No.
Yeah, we're not off to a good start, I guess.
It don't matter because it ain't gonna start.
What's it got earwax on it for? Ugh, dude.
Sorry. Continue filming after it takes 5 hours to put these in. He said, I started it 2 times.
He said, I tried it twice, and then I held the pedal to the floor. All right, so I'm gonna try it 2 times. Did you hear it? It sounded like it wanted to start there.
Why can't I hear it buzzing?
It's the computadora.
That's it.
Pump it. Pump it. What the fuck?
Ooh, we got it. We did it. We did it. Look at the smoke. We did it. We're smoking out the whole neighborhood, but we did it. Did you think that was gonna happen?
Just turn it off.
Why?
Because the valve cover ain't on, so it's leaking oil everywhere.
But then we gotta do it again. It was at least a quart low. Start her up. Oh, you don't need the gas.
Yeah,
We're good.
Don't need that was only one time thing.
That scared the hell out of me. Should I go? I'm gonna just do that loop.
You're gonna go on the main road?
Okay, so basically what happened to my car was it got cylinder wash. Basically what happened is there wasn't enough oil in the car to begin with, and then the car was started, and before it had time to really warm up or even idle for a little while, it was shut off. And I'm assuming that fuel went in and just washed the oil off the cylinder walls, and that caused me to have no compression. Regardless, I've had the car good for a few days now. It drives fine. If you have an E46 or a BMW or a car, even a car that just sounds like that, it sounds like it's trying to start, compression tested, whatever, and it's not starting, this could be your problem. I'm gonna post the links to the forum posts that I found this solution in the description below. Also, if this helped you, please drop a like, leave a comment, let me know it worked, or if you've had to do this in the past, let me know. I'd love to hear it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.